Blue Cross Blue Shield Health Maintenance Organization (HMO) plans offer comprehensive coverage with a focus on preventive care and cost-effective healthcare services. These plans generally require members to choose a primary care physician (PCP) and get referrals for specialist visits, promoting a coordinated approach to healthcare. HMO plans emphasize the importance of regular checkups and preventive care. Coverage often includes annual physicals, vaccinations, and screenings. While you usually need a referral from your PCP to see a specialist, HMOs do cover visits to specialists when necessary. Examples include dermatologists, cardiologists, or orthopedic doctors. Inpatient and outpatient hospital services are typically covered, including surgeries, emergency room visits, and diagnostic tests. However, pre-authorization may be required for certain procedures. HMO plans usually include coverage for prescription medications. You may be required to use a preferred pharmacy or mail-order service to get the best coverage. Blue Cross Blue Shield HMOs often cover mental health services, including therapy and counseling sessions. There may be a network of mental health professionals to choose from. HMO plans typically cover prenatal care, labor and delivery, and postnatal care. This may include coverage for ultrasound tests, maternity classes, and well baby visits. HMOs prioritize preventive services, covering immunizations, screenings, and wellness programs to help members maintain good health and detect potential issues early on. Coverage may extend to rehabilitation services such as physical or occupational therapy, as well as habilitative services to help individuals acquire or maintain skills and functioning. Remember that coverage details can vary, and it's crucial to review the specific terms and conditions of your Blue Cross Blue Shield HMO plan. Always check the plan documents, network directories, and contact customer service to clarify any uncertainties regarding coverage.
Looking for the best health provider with the coverage you need? Our network of providers allows you to create your own flexible plan and help you get the health coverage that you deserve. Speak with one of our health insurance specialists and get a free quote over the phone at 1-800-410-1206.